This tutorial will cover how to install the drivers for the MyGica U5072 USB tuner stick, as well as the Total Record software. First, we need to go to the global website, which is www.mygica.com, and then we're going to go to download and then drivers. The drivers we want are the U5072 USB TV tuner. Go ahead and click download and save it onto your hard drive. Once that finishes downloading, click on Open Folder. Once the folder opens, go ahead and right-click the driver and extract files. I'm going to do an extract all. In that location, it's fine. Go ahead and open the extracted folder. And then select which version you have. I have Windows 7 32-bit on this computer. If you do not know which version you have, go down to the Start menu and then right-click Computer and then select Properties. And it'll tell you the version of Windows you have, as well as the bit operating, 32-bit or the 64-bit. Go ahead and open Setup. And select Yes if you're prompted with this security screen. Let's go ahead and select Next. This is to install the audio drivers. Go ahead and select checkbox Yes, and then hit Install. And then click Finish. Next, we have to install the Total Media software. Next, to install the Total Media software, you will need the CD that's included in the U5072 retail box. If you did not receive the CD, please contact your vendor. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and insert mine. Go ahead and click Run. And Yes. And I'm going to go to Software Install. We already installed the most updated software, the driver. So now we'll do the software. Let's go ahead and select OK. And let's go and hit Next. Make sure to review the agreement, and if you accept, go ahead and click Yes. And then type in your username and then the license key that came on the back of the CD sleeve. Go ahead and select Next, and this folder name is okay. Now we're going to select Finish, but make sure you restart your system before inserting the USB stick as well as running the software. Let's go ahead and select Finish, and we'll close out of here, and then we'll restart, and then we'll start the software. Now that we rebooted, go ahead and insert your USB stick into your USB drive. Make sure your antenna is connected. I have a MyGica A50 antenna connected to mine. Windows will search for the driver. Now that the drivers are set up and ready to use, go ahead and select close and then open the Total Media software. Okay, so let's set up the TV now. Under Settings TV, we're going to select Next. Select the country you're in. I'm going to go ahead and select United States and hit Next. This is for the USB stick. Since this is a hybrid or a dual stick which captures TV streams as well as analog streams, we have to make sure to select the digital tuner. The analog capture is if you're going to be just capturing composite or S-video input. Go ahead and select Next. I have an antenna connected to mine, so I'm going to go ahead and select antenna. If you're connected to your cable TV, go ahead and select that one. Go ahead and select Start. This process takes several minutes, so you might want to take a break and come back. Alright, looks like it's ready. We found about 109 channels. Go ahead and select OK. And select Next. This is to set up the second tuner. We don't have one installed, so let's go ahead and select No. And this is if you want to browse the internet. Let's go ahead and select Yes. Now it's set up. We can see what channels we have. Go ahead and select the channel 11. Let's see what it looks like. Go ahead and hit full screen. You can hit record if you want to record it. And you're all set.